12 Next-Level Camping Gear and Gadgets 2025. Camping is evolving beyond tents, sleeping bags, and campfires. In 2025, technology and innovative designs are taking outdoor experiences to new heights, offering gear and gadgets that are not only more efficient but also more eco-friendly and user-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a casual camper, these next-level tools promise to enhance your outdoor journey in comfort, safety, and style. From portable power solutions to ultralight tents and cutting-edge cooking gadgets, here's a look at the 12 must-have camping essentials for the upcoming year. Gadget Camp 365. Camping is about escaping the hustle and bustle of daily life, and having the right gear can make all the difference. One game changer in 2025 is the Gadget Camp 365, a fully solar-powered camping system that brings luxury to the outdoors. Think about staying warm, cooking meals, and even charging devices without needing to rely on traditional fuel sources. This compact and efficient system works as a portable off-grid home, allowing you to cook, heat, and cool your space all with the sun's power. Imagine preparing a hot meal after a long hike or keeping your drinks chilled, all while you're immersed in nature. Gadget makes that possible. Anker Solix Solar Beach Umbrella. A beach umbrella is typically just a shield from the sun, but the Anker Solix Solar Beach Umbrella takes it a step further by integrating solar panels into its design. It's not just about providing shade, but about harnessing the sun to charge your devices, whether you're at the beach, on a camping trip, or just relaxing in the park. The umbrella's lightweight frame and easy setup make it perfect for outdoor adventures. And with built-in USB ports, you can charge everything from your phone to a tablet while staying cool in the shade. It's a unique, multifunctional addition to your outdoor gear that's perfect for modern-day explorers who rely on their tech even when they're off the grid. Pebble Flow EV Travel Trailer. For those who love the open road but also want to bring their comforts along for the ride, the Pebble Flow EV Travel Trailer is a revolutionary piece of camping gear. This sleek, compact, and eco-friendly trailer is designed to be towed by electric vehicles, EVs, making it a perfect match for anyone looking to combine sustainability with adventure. The Pebble Flow is equipped with modern amenities like a comfortable sleeping area, a small kitchenette, and a bathroom, all within a lightweight frame that won't weigh down your electric car. It's a perfect blend of comfort, technology, and eco-consciousness, allowing you to travel without leaving a big carbon footprint behind. Coleman Cascade Classic Camping Stove. The Coleman Cascade Classic Camping Stove is an absolute must-have for any serious camper who loves to cook in the wild. Known for its reliability and durability, this stove allows you to prepare your favorite meals with ease, even when you're miles away from a traditional kitchen. With two powerful burners that provide even heat, the stove can handle everything from a morning cup of coffee to a hearty dinner after a long day of hiking. It's designed with portability in mind, folding up easily for storage and transport, but its heavy-duty construction ensures it'll last for many trips to come. The stove runs on liquid fuel, making it an ideal choice for off-grid camping, where propane might not be available. If you love cooking outdoors, the Coleman Cascade Classic will take your camping meals to the next level. MSR Guardian Military-Grade Water Purifier. When it comes to survival, having access to clean water is essential. The MSR Guardian Military-Grade Water Purifier ensures you'll never have to worry about water contamination, even in the most remote locations. This portable filtration system uses advanced technology to purify water from lakes, rivers, and streams, removing bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. It's designed to be incredibly durable, meeting military standards, so you can rely on it in any conditions. Whether you're hiking through the mountains or camping by a remote river, this purifier delivers clean, safe water in just minutes, allowing you to focus on enjoying the outdoors without the stress of potential waterborne illnesses. Leatherman Wingman Multi-Tool. Every camper knows that having the right tools on hand can make or break an outdoor adventure, and the Leatherman Wingman Multi-Tool is a versatile companion for any trip. Compact yet incredibly functional, this multi-tool combines 14 different tools into one small, easy-to-carry package. From pliers and wire cutters to scissors, knives, and even a bottle opener, the Wingman can handle nearly any task you might encounter in the wild. Whether you need to fix gear, open a can, or cut some rope, this multi-tool has you covered. Its stainless steel construction ensures it's built to last, while the spring-action design makes it easy to use with just one hand. BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus. The BioLite Camp Stove 2 Plus revolutionizes the way we cook and charge devices in the wild. This compact, eco-friendly stove uses renewable biomass, such as twigs and sticks, as fuel to create heat for cooking, and to generate electricity through a built-in thermoelectric generator. The stove not only allows you to prepare your meals, but it also charges your phone, lights, or any other USB-powered device while you're cooking. The Camp Stove 2 Plus also features a fan that helps increase the burn efficiency, reducing smoke and making the fire more environmentally friendly. Helinox Sunset Chair. Comfort in the outdoors doesn't have to be a luxury, and the Helinox Sunset Chair proves it. Known for its lightweight, compact design and sturdy construction, this chair is ideal for camping trips, beach days, or even backyard relaxation. Unlike traditional camping chairs, the Sunset Chair offers a reclined seating position that allows you to kick back and relax in total comfort. Its breathable fabric and high-quality frame ensure durability and comfort for hours of use. Big Agnes Copper Spur HVUL2 Tent. When it comes to tents, the Big Agnes Copper Spur HVUL2 tent is in a league of its own. Designed for backpackers who want a lightweight yet spacious tent, this ultralight shelter offers superior protection from the elements without weighing you down. The tent features high-volume architecture, providing more room inside while maintaining a minimal footprint. With a durable, weather-resistant design, it's perfect for everything from a weekend camping trip to longer expeditions. The Copper Spur HVUL2 is incredibly easy to set up, and the mesh panels provide excellent ventilation, ensuring comfort on warm nights. JetBoil Stash Cooking System. The JetBoil Stash Cooking System is the ultimate solution for lightweight, efficient cooking while on the go. Perfect for backpackers, hikers, and anyone looking to cook fast and light. This system packs a full cooking set into a compact, easy-to-carry package. The stove's design ensures it boils water quickly, so you can have a hot meal or drink in just minutes. Its modular design allows for easy storage and portability, making it a favorite for those who want to keep their pack light without sacrificing cooking performance. Goal Zero Yeti 500X Portable Power Station. For those who need reliable power in the great outdoors, the Goal Zero Yeti 500X Portable Power Station is a must-have. This versatile power station provides ample electricity to charge everything from smartphones and laptops to larger devices like cameras and lights. With a range of ports including AC, USB, and 12V, it ensures you'll have access to power no matter where your adventure takes you. The Yeti 500X is compact, lightweight, and solar compatible, meaning you can recharge it using solar panels when you're off the grid. Sea to Summit Aeros Pillow. Comfort is often overlooked when camping, but the Sea to Summit Aeros Pillow makes sure you get a good night's rest, no matter where you are. This inflatable pillow is lightweight, compact, and offers excellent neck support, so you can sleep soundly even after a long day of outdoor activities. Its soft, durable fabric and ergonomic design provide comfort and stability, while the inflatable feature allows you to adjust the firmness to your preference. Whether you're sleeping in a tent under the stars or in your camper, the Sea to Summit Aeros Pillow ensures you wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the next adventure. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.